Hi everyone, Gaga Joy, Gaga Joy's Cooking. Today we're going to be making another side dish, I guess you might call it. And this was candy. We've got a couple candies to make. And it's peanut brittle. I've made peanut brittle all my life. I saw this yesterday afternoon and I thought, I've got to try it. It's in the microwave. Actually, peanut brittle is very easy to make, but this one is more than easy to make. So hopefully it'll turn out. It's very simple. It's a cup of sugar, a half a cup of Karo syrup, and a cup of peanuts. I'm using the Redskins. Let's see. Okay, stir it up. Now, this goes in the microwave 2.5 minutes. Okay, this is our 2.5 minutes. Just stir it down real good, get real mixed again. Okay, now there's 3 times you put. Now this one is for 3 minutes, and then we're almost finish it up. Actually, it takes about 8 minutes to make it. Can you believe that? 8 minutes. Okay, that one was over. Let's stir it one more time. Now this time, we are going to add a teaspoon of butter, teaspoon of vanilla, stir it, till the butter's melted. And this is the last time. 2 more minutes. After this one, it's over. You put the baking soda in, put it in your pan. That's like I said, it's about 8 minutes. Okay, and now it's our baking powder. It's the make sure I'm getting it right. Baking soda, not powder, baking soda. This is the one that sort of makes it the end. See how it's turning white? Now, it's so hot. That's it. You have to work with it real quick because it gets hard real quick. Okay. Now I'm gonna let it cool, and then we'll come back because I want you to see how it turns out. Looks pretty cool day. There you go. Pretty good. It turned out perfect as far as I can see. And I guess I'll let it cool about 10 minutes. And I set it in the refrigerator maybe a minute. And if you like peanut brittle, that's good peanut brittle. Well, let's see. Let's go with the recipe. Excuse me if my mouth's always full. It's 1 cup of sugar, a half a cup of Cairo syrup, and a cup of peanuts of your choice. And microwave it 2.5 minutes. You stir it. You put it back for 3 minutes. And then you get it out. You put a teaspoon of butter, a teaspoon of vanilla. You microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you take it out. You put a teaspoon of baking powder in. You stir it really quick. Put it out. And you have beautiful, beautiful peanut brittle. Another one down. Let's go for another plate of candy. Take care of yourself. Keep busy. Remember the joy, and I'll see you soon.